Hey guys, how are you? My name is Emma and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, you guys, I am going to be cleaning my very filthy dirty fridge. I usually just clean my fridge whenever it's dirty. I don't have a routine on when I clean it, and also I just usually clean it before I can stock up on my weekly grocery. But because I've got kids, they will spill stuff. So yeah, usually it gets dirty so quickly. But right now I'm just taking out everything from the freezer. I've got a lot of leftover food. You can see pap. It can't be an African home without pap, you guys. So yeah, I need to just take everything out first, put it away before I can start cleaning. Now look at that. Look how dirty that is. Yeah, it is really, really gross. Some oil everywhere. I don't know what was leaking. It's a mess. Like, it really is a mess. But when I clean my fridge, what I just use Sunlight dishwasher first. So I'll go through with my sponge and my Sunlight dishwasher and just remove all the dirt. And usually I go through twice with the Sunlight dishwasher, and then later on I would take my vinegar and then just put the vinegar on a wet cloth and then go over and just wipe again the fridge with vinegar. Vinegar helps to just disinfect, and also it gives it that fresh smell. So yeah, that's just what I use when it comes to cleaning my fridge. It's nothing complicated, just Sunlight dishwasher and my lemon. That's it. So when I'm done cleaning inside the fridge and outside as well, I go on and wash off all the trays, the egg trays, the water dispenser, the trays for the deep freezer as well. I use a Sunlight dishwasher first, and then I go on to use my vinegar. When I'm done with the soap, I use vinegar as well, just to disinfect and to give it that last fresh smell. And after cleaning the trays, I pack back the trays into the fridge, and I also pack back the food. Now I try to pack it in order, but usually because of my boys, this order doesn't last for long. But yeah, for now it's nicely packed. And I just need to go on and do my weekly grocery in the deep freezer as well. I had to clean the deep freezer. It's also looking nice and clean. So yeah, you guys, that was it for today's video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.